Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to display end task option in taskbar context menu of Windows 11 using registrator like this. When you will right click on the application, you will see here end task. So first you need to open the registrator. For that, click on the start button and here type registry. Click on the registry editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes. Once the register opens, you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to taskbar developer settings. On the right sidebar, you will find a dword that name is taskbar end task. In case you don't find it here, right click on the free space on the right side, select here new and then choose dword 32-bit value and name it as taskbar in task. To enable this feature, just double click and set its value data to 1, and to disable this feature, set the value data to 0 and click this one OK button. When you will right click on the any application, you will not see any more end task option. However, when you will put here 1 and press this one OK button, when you will right click on the any opened application, you will see end task option is available. You can use this one to end any application that are unresponsive on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.